2012 Chrysler 300 SRT8. It's got a custom 6.4 liter supercharged motor with 695 to the wheels. You just had it tuned. Got factory converters there. Then it's true dual all the way back. We did a mid muffler delete earlier in the year, and we just did a rear muffler delete just right now. There and there. And we reused his tips, because he's still like those tips that were on it. Right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. As you guys can see, supercharged E-Force Edelbrock. Go start it, please. It's a freaking beast. It was built in California, and he just picked it up. He just had it tuned, everything. Look at this thing. 6.4 liter. See that supercharger? That is sick. Give it gas. Whoop, baby. Sexy car, man. Give it gas. Your sound decibels. Again. 127, guys. That is crazy. True dual straight pod. Crazy loud, guys. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300 6.4 liter custom supercharged 696 horsepower to the rear wheel.